Welcome back, everyone. Today's topic is one that often causes confusion in the business world: the difference between business development, sales, and marketing. These terms get used interchangeably sometimes, but they represent distinct functions within a company. Each plays a unique role in driving growth, but they also overlap in certain areas. After attentively listening to this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of how these functions differ and work together to push a business forward. This lecture will allow you to understand the distinct roles of business development, sales, and marketing. Recognize how each function contributes to business growth. Identify when and how these functions overlap and work together. Develop a framework for how these areas can align to drive success in your own business or career. Let's learn the difference between business development, sales, and marketing. As we've already discussed, business development is about long-term growth. Business developers look for new opportunities, whether that's in new market trends, new partnerships, or new products that will keep the company expanding. They focus on the big picture, shaping the future direction of the business. Business development usually involves high-level strategic planning, relationship building, and identifying untapped market potential. Sales is more transactional in nature. While business development focuses on finding opportunities for growth, sales teams are responsible for converting those opportunities into revenue. Their primary goal is to close deals. Salespeople interact directly with customers, negotiate prices, and manage accounts. The metrics they care about are things like conversion rates and sales targets. Marketing is all about creating awareness and generating demand. Marketers use strategies like advertising, content creation, and social media engagement to make sure potential customers know about the company's products or services. They conduct market research, create campaigns, and work to position the company as a leader in its space. Marketing supports both business development and sales by helping to build the brand and attract potential customers. Business development looks at long-term growth and strategic opportunities. Sales focuses on short-term revenue through deal making. Marketing focuses on building brand awareness and generating interest. The goal of business development is to create partnerships, enter new markets, and position the company for future growth. The goal of sales is to close deals and generate revenue. The goal of marketing is to create demand and increase visibility for the company. Business development involves strategic planning and relationship building. Sales is more tactical, dealing directly with customers to close deals. Marketing is creative and research-driven, using campaigns and data to attract customers. Despite their differences, business development, sales, and marketing need to work closely together. Business development might identify a new market opportunity, but marketing will create campaigns to build awareness in that market. Sales will then work on converting the leads that marketing generates. When these functions align, they create a powerful growth engine for the company. Problems arise when these areas do not communicate, leading to missed opportunities or misaligned strategies. Let's talk about the story of Starbucks. When the company was expanding globally, the business development team identified international markets with strong potential, such as China. They built partnerships with local suppliers and distributors to enter the market. Marketing then created campaigns that helped Starbucks appeal to Chinese consumers by adapting its offerings, like introducing local flavors. Sales team focused on expanding their physical footprint and ensuring customer satisfaction. All three functions worked together to make Starbucks a global success. Collaboration between business development, sales, and marketing is essential for long-term growth. No single function can achieve this alone. Think of a business like a relay race. In the first leg, Business development identifies the opportunity and passes the baton to marketing. Marketing, in the second leg, creates demand and prepares the customers, and finally, the baton is handed to sales, who bring it home by closing the deal. Each function plays a crucial role, and if any of the runners fumble, the entire race can be lost. As we move forward, I want you to think about how these functions work together in your career or business. Choose a company you're familiar with and analyze how their business development, sales, and marketing teams work together. Are there areas where they overlap? How could they improve their collaboration? Write a 500-word essay discussing your findings. I would love to hear from you on today's topic. Were there any surprises about how business development, sales, and marketing interact? What questions do you have about these functions? Let's discuss them in the comment section. Thank you for your attention today. Next time, we will attempt to understand identifying growth opportunities and how you can start applying business development strategies in real-world scenarios. See you then.